So today we received this wonderful little camera and we needed a new one in the van. We had two in the van, believe it or not, and both started playing up. And there are so many crazy people on the road. We feel more safe when we have a camera running. This one had good reviews and looks great. It's a good size. So I'm going to test this out. The box, they make it really easy, so you can contact the people very easily by scanning this code. I guess this one brings you to YouTube videos. This one brings you to an app to download the app, because apparently we can have what we see on the dashcam in the you can also see on your phone, and I'm really curious. This is the first one that offered this option, so let's see what this little thing is capable of. First thing I noticed when I opened the box is that there is another QR code, and this one you can extend your warranty to 2 years, so that's interesting. Wow, is this it? Look how small that is. Oh, that's amazing. That's small. That will be really not intrusive on our screen. Yeah, I love that. Super small. Yeah, well impressed. Look at that when I put it on my hand, how small that is. Yep, now let's hope that the quality of the image is fantastic, so we can have that we can see the number plates of people who try to or rip us off by reversing into us, or if we get in a more serious situation and we end up in an accident. You never know. Yeah, well impressed. Okay, I got it all out of the box. Well, first of all, you see the little camera here. This is the angle that you can, this is the maximum angle backwards, and this is the maximum angle forward. That is the instruction manual, user manual, just completely in English. Very nice. Again, the QR codes are there, and it is very simple to set this little camera up. There's a power button, and this one is if you want to save file. If you have an accident, it saves it, and it can also, if you hold it long, format your card. That is something you have to be really careful with, because if you want to save it, it's a lock button. If you long press it, it formats it. So me personally, the format button, I would have that preferably separate, because when you want to lock a current recording, you might be in a stressful state. Let's say you had an accident, and it's so easily to keep the button down too long and then you lose all the footage. So personally, I would want to see this separate. I have it connected to a power bank for now. There, look. Press the power button, it says. Powering off. So that is what she said there is not correct. She says, please press the power button to format your memory card. She tells you to press the to power button to format the card, but it is the button beneath it. Formatting the memory card. Yeah. Okay, excellent. Oh, wow. Okay, see, and that's it. I haven't done anything else. It is ready to go. It's as simple as that. Okay, so her first comment is that she says, push the power button to format the card, which is wrong. It's the button under the power button. And you keep that pressed, formats it, and it starts recording automatically. I like the feedback. That's a voice feedback. Also the feedback with the blinking. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little blinking light there, so you know it's recording. And I see the Wi-Fi is ready to connect if I install the app on the phone. Yes, if you are always apprehensive about new technology and setting it up, it's amazing how simple they have made this. So I'm very impressed with that. Well, this was running for a while, and because it's standing still, it went in by standby mode, and this is the correct date. I don't know how it has done that. Isn't that amazing? The time is not what we have here at the moment. We are here in Greenwich time, London's. I'm well impressed. Okay, I said that you could put your phone in here and then it will charge it. That's not true. This is to charge the unit. But look, this is the cigarette plug for the unit, and that has a USB port. So it doesn't take your cigarette lighter plug without giving you something back. That's a really nice detail. I like that. Yeah, well impressed with this little camera. It's connected to the app without any trouble. I went to the App Store instead of following the QR code and I downloaded the app Viidure. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, with double I. The password is 12345678. Nice and simple. Of course, you can change that yourself in the app. When it connected through the Wi-Fi, I went to my Wi-Fi setting and it changed the time straight away. This is the most simplest camera I have ever set up. If you don't like very complicated technology, this is definitely for you. Yeah, I'm well impressed. I'm going to install it for a drive in a minute. Yeah, well impressed. This is not a touchscreen. You just operate it through your app if you want to. Instructions are very clear. Sending a file to my phone to keep it is very easy. There is a very good support of this firm that sells these cameras. This is a recording. I sent from my phone, sent it to my desktop, and that is an absolutely sharp picture. Now I will try to put it in the van, record some driving footage. As I said, well impressed. Very discreet little camera. What the heck?
Look at all those seats.
Well, today is Mia's birthday. Congratulations.
Oh, I gotta phone them up. Haven't I?
It's up to you.
17. So 3 years ago today we were sat outside that hospital.
Yeah, and our car broke down.
Yeah. Cool. Cost us some that did, didn't it?
£1,200. Or 1,000 something?
Yeah, we won't forget that too quickly, too easily.
Lucky enough we are sensible, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure. We would have been in right shit street if we wouldn't. Yeah, you do well. It's not too hot, the sun, is it? So people are coming out more. It's bearable for a lot of people.